Hello all, welcome to bonadeafashions. In this video, in the first two sets, we are going to see 80s count pure chettinad cotton sarees. The material is soft and comfortable to wear. The uniqueness of these collections are its beautiful fancy borders. The saree length is 5.5 meter without blouse and which is priced at 690 rupees. Moving to the next set is again 80s count pure chettinad cotton sarees, and the saree length is 6.2 meters with blouse, and this beautiful collection is priced at 850 rupees along with a free shipping inside Kerala and Tamil Nadu. For placing your orders, DM to the given WhatsApp number. You can also place your order through our Facebook and Instagram pages. The links be there in the description. Moving to the next set is a collection of khadi cotton sarees. Small buttas are there running throughout the body along with a tassel attached pallu and a running blouse. And this beautiful collection you are getting in a price of 780 rupees along with a free shipping inside Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Other states even the shipping charges be very less, from 20 maximum up to 40 depending on the distance. Hope you guys like these beautiful collections. Thank you for watching.